Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your mobile number in the Uber app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. From there, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings where you can manage various aspects of your Uber profile and preferences. Once you're in the account section, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon serves as the gateway to all your personal information and account details within the app. After clicking your profile icon, you'll see a menu appear with different options. Look for personal info and click on it. This section is where Uber stores all your personal details, including your name, email, and contact information. It's the central hub for managing how Uber identifies and reaches you. Now that you're in the personal info section, scroll through the options until you find phone number. Once you locate it, click on it. This is where you can view your current registered phone number and make changes to it. Keeping your phone number up to date is important because Uber uses it for account verification, driver communication, and important notifications about your rides. A new screen will appear where you can modify your phone number. Here you'll see a field where you can input your new phone number. Go ahead and type in the number you want to use going forward. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this will be the primary contact method Uber uses to reach you. Double-check the number before proceeding to avoid any issues with account access or ride confirmations. After entering your new phone number, you'll see an update button. Click on it to save your changes. Uber will process this information and update your account with the new number. You may receive a verification code via text message to confirm the new number is valid and belongs to you, so keep your phone handy. And that's it. You've successfully changed your mobile number in the Uber app, ensuring your account stays current with your active contact information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.